What's good, YouTube? Can't really speak too loud, baby sleeping in the background. But great night tonight. Long shift, of course, but great night tonight. Uh, we capitalized right here for 50. We capitalized right here for 50. It was a long night. Trades ain't start till about 3:30, 4 o'clock. I'm finishing basically at 6, so 3 to 4 hours, not too bad. 2 buys, as you can see. Goal for tonight was $500. We achieved that with 250 tick trades, make it 100 ticks for the night. Yeah, ain't really much to explain. To be fair, I kind of streamed. Watch this go down, change structure right here. Bought, caught the retest, continued up. I want it down here, but we'll take right here. As you can see, it's playing around. If I decide to take a third trade, which I'm probably not because I'm finna clock out, it'll be right here, if it can get down here. But aside from that, this is my update video. This is day 2, and I'm finna let the rest of the video be the trades. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Good night.
Yo, nuts! Gyal a wine pon the tip of me body, she have a grip on me, love me, cocky tiff in a tummy. Gyal a wine pon the tip of me body, she have a grip on me, love me, cocky tiff in a tummy. She kiss your body, lick your body like a nut, your body pussy fluffy, so me have to fuck you little and it chubby, rub it till it's on the shave, before you come and fucking at the calling. Give the body broken till my blood pan your titty bossy. Me will give you money coming at your mouth, chugging ya me like a curry, fuck you like a